Alright guys, Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review for the Insignia 7-inch photo frame. It's in a 16 by 9 format, and this is the model number NS-DPF7G. Before I go any further guys, as always, Amazon link below to buy this thing. Pretty cool product. It's pretty self-exclamatory. It takes micro SD cards, you pop in your photos, and you just either press it manually or use this remote, and your photos will go in rotation for all to see. Friends, families, hopefully not in-laws, whatever you bring over to your house. But the cool thing is that these come in different sizes, different shapes, different colors. Insignia makes pretty much everything from AA batteries all the way to like humidifiers. They're one of those all-encompassing brands. And also, Chmelaeon.com has a ton of different digital photo frames if you want to check out our website as well if you're looking to save some cash. And I'm just going to run right through the box on this review because it's not that hard to understand. I mean, it's a digital photo frame. You just pop in your stuff and you're good to go. But actually, before I go through the box, I'm going to show you what's inside. It came with this micro USB cable for data transfer and not charging because it actually has its own power cord, which I'll not unplug because wouldn't be much of a review if it was turned off. It came with a microfiber cloth. Thought that was a nice touch. It came with 3 manuals in different languages. I believe English, Spanish, and French. Dig that. So if you're bilingual, you can enjoy it in all languages. And it also came with a memory stick duo adapter. I dig that. You know, not many people use the Sony memory sticks anymore, but I thought that was nice that they included that as well in case you do. And the adapter goes right in the side here. I'll show you where it goes in. So there's the micro USB. It comes with a USB port too. I think you might be able to charge stuff off this. It's kind of cool too. And as you can see, you can plug in a USB dongle with photos. That's kind of neat. That's a neat little feature. And then here's all the navigation for it. Turn on, turn off, left, right, enter, up, down, that kind of thing. And let's see what else we got here. Pretty self-exclamatory. Gotta love it. Made in China, but hey, what isn't these days? And that's pretty much it. Oh, of course, can't forget the box. And by the way, guys, if you haven't bought one already, link below so we save you the search time in Amazon. So the Insignia digital picture frame. Easy to use, no PC required. It's pretty self-exclamatory. 800 by 480 digital resolution, which is good enough for photos. It's got a 1 gig internal memory, so you can store a good amount of pictures on here. Auto rotation, compatible with SD, SDHC, MMC, XD, CF, MS, HIV, whatever. And all that wonderful types of memory data. Let's see what else we got here. Digital picture frame. Here's some stuff on the side. Okay. And that's basically it. It comes with the remote as well. And that's pretty much it. Digital photo frame. Chmelaeon.com is out. I recommend it. It works well. Tested it, used it. Haven't had any problems with it. And that's basically it. Comes with the remote, USB, manuals, microfiber, memory stick duo adapter, and of course, the power cord. But with that, Chmelaeon.com is out.